The bicycle, that human-powered, pedal-driven machine consisting of two tires connected to a frame. What a marvelous invention, virtually unchanged. I bet computer design and more modern materials, since the chain-driven safety bicycle was developed in the 1880s. Today, it's estimated that there are over 1 billion in existence. That's more than automobiles in both number and models made. In many areas of the world, they are still the primary mode of transportation. They're also a popular form of recreation used for general fitness, commuting, and touring. They've been used by the military, police, and courier services. Bicycle racing and stunt riding have been a big part of the cycling world for many years. Many components used in the auto industry were developed for the bicycle. Things like ball bearings, pneumatic tires, chain-driven sprockets, and tension-spoked wheels. With the advent of the combustion engine and electric motors, the bicycle evolved into the present-day motorcycle. Today, more than ever, the electric bike or e-bike has become a popular recreational and utility machine, a great way to tool about town for fun and attend to everyday errands. So how have you used your bike in the past? Let me know in the comments below. And meanwhile, enjoy viewing the rest of these beautiful vintage bicycles. It's time for me to take a ride.